have to enhance the export economy, exports. And also the less competitiveness of Sri Lankan goods is another problem. So the Sri Lankan goods have to be more competitive. Not only Sri Lankan goods, but also the developing economies have to make their goods more competitive. As an example, Sri Lankan exports have been traditionally less competitive than those of other countries in the region such as Bangladesh and Vietnam due to higher minimum wage rates. Nevertheless, after a rapid fall in the value of the Sri Lankan rupee and a minimum wage hike for the workers of the garment industry in Bangladesh, the minimum wage in Sri Lanka on par with that Bangladesh and lower than that of Vietnam. So, in 2018, merchandise imports rose by 7% and reached US dollars 22.2 million, while exports totaled USD 11.9 million. Thus, the trade balance is equal to USD minus 10.3 billion in Bangladesh. The country Bangladesh is a net exporter of commercial services, exporting USD 8.3 billion in 2018 against USD 6.7 billion of imports. According to figures by the World Bank, the country's overall trade deficit stood at 7.3% of GDP in 2018. So it is evident that Bangladesh is progressing than Sri Lanka. And other solution to enhance the popularity of patents is manufacturing patent exports and also removal of weak patent rights and decrease strong imitations. Usually third world countries or the developing countries, manufacturing patent exports are weaker than the patent rights and strong imitations are observed. So patent dominance among the industrial countries, attesting to the effectiveness of their IPRs in deterring imitation. This was especially the case in patent sensitive industries such as chemicals and instruments. The market expansion impact was pronounced in US trade with middle income economies, displaying weak patent rights and strong imitation threats. So when it comes to Brazil and Malaysia, should observe rising trade volumes as protection increases. So when the patent protection increases, trade volume rises. And also we have to address the dominant position and market power. The market power effect dominated among the group of nations, primarily the least developed countries, with weak imitation possibilities, like in Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. So, two important conclusions emerge from this work. First, weak patent rights are significant barriers to manufacturing trade, but primarily within the group of industrializing economies that pose credible imitation threats. As these countries strengthen their regimes, they will attract rising imports volumes of high technology goods, which should confer a beneficial growth impact. Secondly, poor countries are not a competitive threat and their weak patent regimes do not concern technology developers. As they adopt stronger patents, their economies could be exposed to monopoly impacts with detrimental effects on their terms of trade. So we have to address all these problems with regard to FTAs, and also we have to make our policies in par with those problems. Turning to FDI, foreign direct investments, economic theory finds that its relationships with IPRs are subtle and complex. So there will not be FDIs for weak patents. So it is found that low protection levels in developing countries, firms choose to expand FDI as patent gets stronger. So if the patent gets stronger, FDIs will reach to our countries. And also, as protection exceeds level consistent with regimes in developed economies, firms tend to substitute away from FDI towards formal licensing. So, Mexico, Brazil, Thailand and Indonesia, when it comes as examples. However, such investments would rise significantly in Brazil, Mexico, Thailand and Indonesia as a result of stronger patents. Mexico, Brazil, Thailand and Indonesia, they are very concerned about their patent system. So they have stronger patents. Therefore, foreign direct investments will reach Brazil, Thailand, Indonesia and Mexico. And also, it shows by the increase in the Mexican FDI asset stock would be 7.1% of US owned assets there, and in Brazil would be 3.2%. So economic models also indicate that technology and product licensing would be affected ambiguously by stronger patents. Tighter regimes would reduce the risk of local limitation, thereby raising fees that foreign licensors could charge and causing licensing volumes to fall. Nevertheless, tighter protection would lower the cost of striking licensing agreements, raising incentives to license. So if we don't have proper patents, the best way to get rid of that problem is to have licensing agreements. If we can't make stronger patents, the other option is to have strong licensing agreements with existing patents. And with regard to royalties, most of the developing countries are unaffiliated with royalties. The impacts of patent rights on the volume of unaffiliated royalties and licensing fees paid to owners of IP rights. The elasticity of licensing with respect to patent rights was estimated to be suggesting that technology trade is sensitive to IPR protection. Therefore, patent licensing is another solution if you don't have a strong patent. Generated the predicted changes in licensing volumes. As an example, Japan would have a large response reflecting the importance of licensing in the Japanese economy. However, large responses relative to prior licensing fees were also predicted for Korea, Mexico, India and Indonesia. Indeed, arm's length licensing volume in Mexico would rise by a factor of nearly 3. To the extent that expanded licensing volumes reflect a higher technology content of licensing contracts, there would be additional information available in recipient nations. So Azad, I gave you a couple of solutions. There are more solutions for that. Do you have anything to be expanded?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Unfortunately, the video has cropped it due to some technical problem.
Oh.
I don't know your full video is broadcasting or not, because a couple of times the line has disconnected.
Oh.
I have changed the broadband to mobile phone connection. I don't know,
Oh.
but I need to, dear listeners and viewers,